my husband and his job. I got a couple of those and those. And these are from Michael's. And over there are Michael's also. So what else? Let me see. And I will link the 2 tables from Amazon. And those black and white little thing I did get from Temu, if you're wondering. And that where it holds all of my plastic. Let me show you that. I didn't show you that. So here is my plastic. This holds my slimline. These hold. These I got them from Amazon, and they hold my. Let me show you really quick. Sorry for the noise. This holds the stamp and also the die. That's also from Amazon. I use that type of closure. I use these type of closures from scrapbook.com. And these are the sleeves that I use for my 8.5 by 11 cardstock that you saw in the closet. So these are those, and they are from Stamp and Storage. So that is all the storage that I use for my papers and for my cardstocks. I'll just leave that there. I'll put it later. And then this one is all of my Project Life cards, and also cards that I cut out, and they are on the scrapbook.com containers. Okay, and this drawer is from IKEA. So there's a drawer here where I have all of my cutting stuff, and here is just my little, for my pegboard, and my little stapler thing, and my little thank you stickers, and that is it. I guess that's everything that I've showed you and what I've used for containers and things like that. So as always, if you have any question, please leave it down below. I will try to link everything if there is links for Amazon, Michael's, or things like that. Okay, as always, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out in future videos like this. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.